Tonight, the first ever hurricane force wind warning issued for California's central coastline, as wind gusts over 80 miles per hour are felt in Northern California. This tree crushing a car on the 101 freeway north of San Francisco. Firefighters work to free a man trapped inside. Officials confirming the driver has serious injuries. More than 600 properties have been ordered by officials to evacuate in Santa Barbara, Los Angeles, and Ventura counties.
Hopefully it's not quite as bad as they say, but I got a bad feeling.
Many have chosen not to leave. Relentless weather causing concerns ahead of the Grammys red carpet and postponing the final round of the Pebble Beach Pro-Am. Fierce wind grounding planes at San Francisco International Airport as schools in impact zones have been canceled Monday.
Life safety is our priority.
Fire Captain Scott Safechuck shows us the burn scar from the Thomas Fire and 2018 deadly mudslides in Montecito. This basin created to stop water and debris from reaching nearby homes.
And that could be life-saving?
Absolutely, yeah. You can see some of the remnants of boulders that have been pulled out before, and really those are just a fraction of the size that came down during the debris flow. I mean, bigger than houses.
37 million, including San Diego, Los Angeles, San Francisco, and Sacramento, under flood alerts.
As you heard, this storm that is coming our way is a major storm. It is another atmospheric river expected to last from this evening through Tuesday morning. It has been described by the Weather Service as having a, quote, high risk for life-threatening and damaging flooding.
And Dana's with me now. Dana, what are the biggest concerns in the next couple days?
So, Kate, continuous rain is causing concerns that creeks like this will overflow their banks. Things will start to dry out Tuesday, but the threat of landslides and downed trees could remain for days. Kate?
Thanks for watching. Stay updated about breaking news and top stories on the NBC News app or follow us on social media.